Today we're going to walk through Illustrator's shape and line tools, everything from rectangles and stars to grids and spirals. I'll walk you through how each tool works, where to find it, the shortcuts you'll use, and how to make adjustments in real time. The Rectangle tool is used to draw standard rectangles and squares in Adobe Illustrator. You'll find it in the toolbar on the left, or press M on your keyboard to select it. Click and drag to draw a rectangle. Hold Shift to constrain it into a perfect square. Hold Alt to draw from the centre outward. Clicking once on the artboard opens a dialog where you can enter exact width and height values. The rectangle is a live shape. That means you'll see circular corner widgets when it's selected. You can drag those to round the corners visually. Alt-clicking a corner cycles through styles like chamfer or inverted. You can also enter values manually in the Properties panel. The Ellipse tool is used to create ovals and circles. You'll find it grouped under the Rectangle tool in the toolbar, or you can press L on your keyboard. Click and drag to draw. Hold Shift to create a perfect circle. Hold Alt to draw from the centre. Clicking once opens a dialog where you can enter exact width and height values. The ellipse is also a live shape, with built-in widgets for slicing it into a pie. Drag the handles to control the angles visually, or enter start and end values manually in the Properties panel to get it just right. The Polygon tool lets you create multi-sided shapes, like triangles, hexagons or octagons. It's found under the Rectangle tool in the toolbar. Click and drag to create a polygon. Press the up arrow to increase sides, or down arrow to reduce them. Hold Shift to lock the orientation and hold Alt to draw from the centre. Clicking once opens a dialog where you can enter the number of sides and the radius. Polygons are live shapes too. You'll see a small on-canvas widget to adjust the number of sides. You can also round corners using the Widget or Properties panel. The Star tool is used to create stars with adjustable points and depth. It's grouped with the Polygon tool in the toolbar. Click and drag to draw a star. Use the up arrow to add points or the down arrow to reduce them. Hold Ctrl while dragging to adjust the inner radius, changing how long or short the arms appear. Hold Shift to keep the orientation upright and Alt to draw from the centre. Click once on the artboard to open a dialog where you can enter radius values and number of points. The star is also a live shape, so after drawing you can use the Properties panel or Shape widget to adjust points and radius at any time. The Line Segment tool draws straight lines between 2 points. You'll find it in the toolbar, or press the # key on your keyboard. Click and drag to draw a line. Hold Shift to constrain the angle to 45-degree increments. Hold Alt to draw from the midpoint outward. Click once to set the line's exact length and angle using a dialog box. The Arc tool creates curved line segments, portions of circles or ellipses. It's found under the Line Segment tool in the toolbar. Click and drag to draw. Press F while dragging to flip the curve direction. Click once to enter precise width, height, slope and whether the arc is open or closed. You can also enable Fill Arc to turn it into a wedge shape. The Spiral tool lets you create logarithmic spirals, tight or loose coils that wind inward or outward. It's grouped with the Line Segment tool. Click and drag to draw. Use the up arrow to increase spiral segments or down arrow to reduce them. Hold Ctrl to adjust the decay, making the spiral tighter or looser. Press R while dragging to reverse the spiral's direction. Click once to enter values for radius, decay, segments and style. The Rectangular Grid tool creates structured grids made of horizontal and vertical dividers. You'll find it grouped with the Line tools. Click and drag to draw. Use the up and down arrows to change the number of rows. Use the left and right arrows to change the number of columns. Click once to enter grid size, divider count, skew and fill options manually. The Polar Grid tool creates circular grids with concentric rings and radial dividers. It's also grouped with the Line tools. Click and drag to draw. Use the up and down arrows to change rings. Use the right and left arrows to adjust spokes. Click once to enter size, skew and fill settings using the dialog. Those are the core shape and line tools in Adobe Illustrator. Once you get familiar with their shortcuts, modifiers and widgets, they become essential tools in any vector workflow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want more graphic design tips and tricks. Give the video a like if you found this tutorial useful. And as always, until next time, I'll see you all in the next one.